Changing your primary email on Northwestern Mutual is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Northwestern Mutual website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your primary email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. After completing these steps, your primary email on Northwestern Mutual will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.